Hey, Alex, long time no see. Where have you been? You disappeared like a magician for 2 weeks. Did you go to another planet?
Not another planet, but I did go on vacation. And honestly, after midterm exams, even a supermarket felt like paradise.
Wow, vacation. Lucky you. Meanwhile, I was here struggling with homework, crying quietly like a sad dolphin.
A sad dolphin? What does that even look like?
I don't know, but it describes my energy level. Anyway, tell me everything. Where did you go? Did you eat amazing food? Did you take 1,000 photos? Did you finally get some sleep?
Yes, 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 and definitely yes. But wait, before I talk too much, how are you?
I'm good now that you're back, but honestly, I need a vacation too. My brain feels like overcooked noodles.
Same. But now that we're both alive, let's sit and talk. And hey, welcome to another imaginary episode of Ready Talk.
Yes, hello everyone listening in the real world or in our heads. Today's topic is vacation, which everyone loves.
True. Unless your vacation goes wrong, then you learn life lessons.
Oh no, did something bad happen?
Let's just say my vacation was great, but also a little crazy.
Perfect. Let's talk about everything. Good, bad, funny, and embarrassing. So, Alex, first question. Where did you go?
I went to Dalat for 1 week.
Ooh, Dalat, the city of flowers, cool air, and couples taking romantic photos.
Yes, but I went alone, so I was basically third wheeling every couple in the city.
Lonely tourist in the land of love.
Exactly. I was like, wow, so many couples, and here I am drinking hot chocolate alone.
Aw, poor Alex. But at least the weather was nice, right?
Yes, the weather was perfect, cool, fresh, and not too sunny. My skin was happy.
Good. Maybe next time bring a girlfriend.
Sora, if I had one, I would not need you to remind me.
True. Sorry. Okay, tell me what you did. Did you climb mountains, ride bicycles, eat too much food?
Yes, on the first day, I visited the flower garden. It was beautiful, so many colors. I felt like I walked into a painting.
Did you take pictures?
Of course, I took around 300 pictures of flowers.
300? What are you going to do with them? Start a flower Instagram?
Not a bad idea. Maybe I'll become Flower Boy Alex.
Please don't. Anyway, what else?
I also visited the night market.
Ooh, the night market there is amazing. Did you eat the strawberry ice cream?
Yes, and it was delicious, but I also spilled some on my jacket.
Classic, Alex.
Then I tried the baked rice paper, the Vietnamese pizza.
So good.
Yes, and the lady selling it was so friendly. She said I looked tired and gave me extra toppings.
People can see your tiredness so clearly that they give you free food. That's a superpower.
A sad superpower, but I'll accept it.
What about sightseeing? Did you visit the waterfalls?
Yes, I visited the Tanla waterfall. I even tried the roller coaster ride.
Really? You, Mr. Scared of everything?
Yes, but I screamed like someone stole my wallet.
I wish I was there to record it.
Thank goodness you were not.
Okay, now tell me the funny or embarrassing moments. Vacations always have them.
Oh boy, I have a few.
Perfect. Spill it.
First, on my second day, I got lost.
How? Dalat isn't that big.
I followed Google Maps, but it took me to a random hill with no people, no houses, just cows.
Cows?
Yes, a whole gang of cows just staring at me like I was an alien.
Maybe they were judging your fashion.
Probably. I was wearing shorts and a big tourist hat. I looked questionable.
What did you do?
I said, "Excuse me," to the cows. Then I slowly walked away.
You are unbelievable.
The second embarrassing moment was when I slipped on wet stairs near the waterfall.
Oh no, were you okay?
Yes, but two tourists took photos, thinking I was posing.
What?
I fell, sat on the stairs, and they said, "Nice pose," and took pictures.
That is both sad and hilarious.
The third moment was at a cafe. I ordered hot chocolate. The waiter gave it to me and said, "Careful, it's hot."
And you spilled it?
No, I tried to blow on it, but instead I accidentally spit chocolate back into the cup.
Alex!
The waiter saw everything.
Did he laugh?
He tried not to.
Poor you. But these moments make the best memories. Listening to your vacation makes me want one too. I haven't traveled for months.
You should go somewhere. Where would you choose?
Maybe the beach. I want to sit by the water, eat seafood, and forget that homework exists.
Good idea. A beach vacation is always relaxing.
Or maybe I'll go to Phuquoc. I want to lie in the sun like a lazy cat.
You're already like a lazy cat.
Hey, that's rude.
Sorry, a cute lazy cat.
Better.
But seriously, we all need vacations sometimes. They help us rest and reset.
Yes, after studying for months, your brain needs fresh air.
And new experiences make life exciting.
And food. Don't forget food. Vacation food hits different.
Absolutely. Food becomes 10 times more delicious during a trip.
And you get to try new dishes, explore new places, meet new people.
Or cows.
Yes, or cows if you're Alex. So, what is your idea of a perfect vacation?
Simple. A peaceful place, cool weather, great food, and no assignments.
Same. Also, I want a nice bed. A soft bed is life-changing.
True. And Wi-Fi.
Yes, good Wi-Fi is important.
But maybe not too important. Sometimes it's good to disconnect from the internet.
You're right. Last vacation, I stayed online too much. I didn't enjoy the trip fully.
So next time, airplane mode.
Airplane mode for everything, except taking photos.
Speaking of photos, do you think people take too many photos on vacation?
Maybe. Sometimes people are busy recording videos instead of enjoying the place.
That's true. I tried to find a balance, capture beautiful moments, but also enjoy the moment itself.
That's a good rule. So, what did you learn from your vacation?
I learned that I need to relax more. I stress too much.
You do. You worry about everything.
I know, but on vacation, I realized life doesn't always need to be fast and busy.
That's a beautiful lesson.
Also, I learned to be careful on wet stairs.
Important.
Very.
For me, when I travel, I always learn something too, like how different people live, how big the world is, and how small my problems are.
Yes, travel teaches you perspective.
And patience, especially when your bus is late.
Or when your friend forgets the hotel reservation.
You'll never forget that, will you?
Never.
You know what? Maybe we should take a trip together in the future.
Really? Are you sure? I might fall, get lost, or make cows stare at us.
That's exactly why it would be fun.
Okay, I'm in. Where should we go? Beach? Mountains? Another country?
Let's start simple. Maybe Nha Trang?
Good idea. We can swim, eat seafood, and relax.
And hopefully no cow adventures.
Hopefully.
But we should plan carefully. You handle hotels.
No. You handle hotels. Last time I nearly made you sleep outside.
True. Okay, I'll manage hotels. You handle activities.
Deal.
This is already good teamwork.
Yes, vacation teamwork.
Well, Alex, this was a fun conversation. I feel like I just went on vacation in my mind.
Me too. Talking about it makes me want another vacation.
Me three. Let's save money and plan something.
Agreed. And I hope everyone listening enjoyed our vacation stories.
Yes, thank you all for joining us today.
If you like this simple English conversation,
Please support Ready Talk.
like, follow, subscribe, whatever button is nearby.
And join us again for more fun, natural English practice. Okay, time to say goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.
Goodbye, and maybe plan a vacation soon. You deserve it.